This is not like my regular video, so if you're watching this video as a first timer in my channel, not a good one. We're gonna have a snowstorm. I'm stressed out now for what's coming up during this week, which is I'm not thrilled about. So I hope whatever it is, you enjoy this video. If you're new here, I'm Atul. I post videos on travel, food, and lifestyle. I'm an event planner. I plan weddings, birthdays, and baby showers, and corporate events. Each week, I post videos of my wonderful and sometimes challenging part of my weekend life, showcasing traveling to places and trying new things. And I share them with you here on my YouTube channel. Guys, welcome to my channel, Keeping Up with Atul. This is not like my regular video, so if you're watching this video as a first timer in my channel, not a good one. I hope you go back to my other videos and do give this channel a chance. But if you know me for a while, then hey, take this as my regular weekly vlog, because this week we have nothing happening. We had plans, but we canceled it because we're gonna have a snowstorm, so things are canceled. If it really snows, then we're gonna be stuck home eating food, probably gonna go play in the snow. I do have something coming up during the week that is making me stress and not too excited to do anything, so it's gonna be not a good video. Just enjoy, see what we do. Yo, still snowing. They said it's gonna snow. We're gonna have a snowstorm. I didn't know it was gonna be that bad. Look, it's clouds, not a single person outside. I'm outside. It's 8 in the morning Saturday because last night we got home late, so we couldn't find parking. So we parked by the meter, which the meter, you need to move your car by certain times, which 8 in the morning, because they do the cleaning. So because of snow, the cleaning has been cancelled, but the meter is still a fact. That means I have to pay the meter. Everybody's sleeping at home. It's one of those days. Look at all the footprints. Now look at mine. It's like, you see? Ow! Oh shoot! Okay, let's do this. Let's get the car out from here. Oh, there's gloves. I'm warming up my hand and everything is frozen. So yeah. So I'm just like heating up the car sitting inside. I didn't even start cleaning yet.
Turn the heat on.
It is on. So yeah, I don't think it's a good idea for you to come.
Okay, love you.
I love you to go to bed. So she decided to walk on the street because it's a lot of snow. People. Good morning, guys. We just got hit with a snowstorm. So you saw me cleaning the car in the morning. It's like really dead outside. We're not, you cannot get out type of day. It's still snowing. So now we're gonna have breakfast, a warm Bengali style breakfast. Let me show you. So this is my favorite breakfast. We got paratha, we got some chicken, or I'm not sure, some meat type of thing, eggs, dim bhaji, aloo bhaji, and of course some sweet dish, shuji. It's one of my favorite type of Bengali breakfast. Once you eat this, it's gonna keep you full for like almost half a day, you know? Well, it makes me full half the day. Okay, so it's all ready. We're just waiting for everybody to come out from the room so I can eat. Remember, I don't have that much time today. Okay, I have a wedding to go to. Yes, we still have a wedding going on in this weather because it's indoor. Nothing needs to be done outside. Alrighty, so paratha. This is not a homemade one. This is the frozen one, which is still good. I actually prefer this. I like the homemade one, but this is good for if you're in a rush or something. Aloo bhaji. So I was watching a new music video came up, which is a wedding type of song, Sabke Barat Aayi, which was used in this old movie with Urmila and Salman Khan. So while watching the new song, I was like, let me watch that movie. It's been a while. It's been ages we've seen that movie.
Oh, beautiful color.
Tea is here. So I was almost watching not half of it, 10 minutes of it. That's the tea. So what the plan is, after eating this breakfast, go over there, turn the light down, and get a blanket and watch the movie. Aloo bhaji and a paratha.
Oh my God, halwa is so tasty.
I didn't try the halwa yet.
I can't remember halwa. Why didn't you show the breakfast?
Done already. Where's my plate? They're dumping salt. These are all salt. Not over. They're not gonna do it over. Okay, go. Neha's car. Which Neha put a fist in there.
I did not. Somebody laid all over there.
Ambu's head is gonna be so cold. Oh!
Where is that one? It's not here.
There's a lot of dog poop and all that. There's a lot of dog poop in here.
Peas all over. No. I can't do it.
Come on. Oh my God, I cannot feel my hand.
Morning, how are today?
Hi, can I get a venti caramel macchiato, please?
All right.
Hot.
Anything else?
That's it.
Yes, hold on, please.
Thank you. Alright guys, so that was my lame weekend video. Literally, we did nothing other than sat home, ate food, and watched movies. Right now, it's Sunday. I am on my way to the office to finish up some work because I will be taking off from my work for a couple of days because something is going to happen to me, and then I'll be working from home. I'm not going to tell you in details over here because that will be a whole separate video where I will be doing my first ever story time. I'm still not sure if I'm going to do it because I'm thinking about it, if I am open to talk about it. So I will leave that and I'm going to give you little clips of it. You will know. If you know me, you will know what's happening. If not, you have to wait for the video to post where I will talk about it, about the situation. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'm telling you there's better videos coming up soon. I'm just going through some weeks that will be a little boring like this, but more interesting videos are coming soon. So you have to subscribe, and my subscription is free on YouTube. Actually, everybody's subscription is free. Thank you so much. And if you have subscribed to my channel already, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you on my next video. You all have a good weekend and pray for me, please.